how to connect Amazon Music to Alexa Echo Dot. So if you want to connect your Amazon Music to Alexa Echo Dot, then first things first, you're going to have to download the application, which is this one, Amazon Alexa, from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you have downloaded the application, you just need to simply go and open it and make sure that you've logged into your account. You'll have your home page. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure to go ahead and simply turn on your Bluetooth and make sure that the device is paired. To check, you're going to head over to the menu section and click on the devices. And make sure that your Echo device or the device that you're connecting or trying to connect is connected via Bluetooth. Once that is done, you're just going to go back, open up the app again, and simply head over to the menu section. After that, go with the settings option. Once you open up your settings, you have to scroll down a bit until you find the music and podcast options. Tap on it, and then you will have an option to link a new service. Just tap on Amazon Music, and from there, you'll be able to get the Amazon Music application. So you have Amazon Music free to manage your Amazon Music subscription profile. You have to go to your music apps and then use the Amazon Music to search for any playlist and podcast. So download this application and then you'll be able to log in using your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.